Hi guys, so in this video, you're going to learn how to run sales and conversion ads campaign on LinkedIn Ads Manager or LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So we are also going to dive deeper into targeting for this particular video. Make sure you visit the description section. You have valuable resources you need to check out, particularly how to set up insight tags using Google Tag Manager. This will help you to be able to track website events and so much more. So let's jump right straight into this video. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more exclusive contents like this.
So visit linkedin.com. So for this particular one, we're going to use an existing video. So we're going to be advertising Next Level Academy. So we go and get our ad account. So you click on advertise at the top right. Or you visit this link, linkedin.com/campaign manager. Okay. Now you're going to check if the ad account you want to use is here. If you can't find the ad account you want to use that's been set up, you simply click here at the top right. Yeah, this is where you can switch in between business manager. So if your ad account is inside of any of these business manager, you click on it, then it's going to load up like this. Or if you don't have any business manager, which means your ad account will be inside, your profile. So you click on it and you're going to see the ad accounts available on this profile. But the ad account you want to use is already on the Great Business Manager account. So it's here. So I'm going to scroll down and this is it. So I'm going to click on this one. Then it's going to open Campaign Manager properly. Okay, so next we'll click on, Create. Then you hit Campaign. So we're going to say ticket sales. Okay, ticket sales 2. Then we choose a goal. Campaign objective is on. So we select website conversions. Okay, so let's run this let's set a start and end date without a budget. We don't want to set budget on this level. We want this to start as soon as possible. Then we want it to end 7 days from now. So today is Saturday. Okay, today is Friday. We want it to end on this date. Then you click on next. Okay, so we're gonna use the classic for advanced advertising. This gives you more control. This is AI powered. So we go for classic. Then we'll click on next. Okay, so we call this, let's set level. Okay. Yeah, so this is what I'm marketing. You could create a new one by clicking here. Click on add new. But yeah, this is what I'm marketing. So I'm not using any of this. Okay, so location is Nigeria. You can always edit your location by clicking here. Okay, click on add buyer group. Okay. Okay, so we could use the all categories. Select business intelligence software. Could also search for digital marketing. Okay, let's leave that for now. Okay, let's select this also, business strategy. So you basically use this for retargeting. Okay, let's use this one. Let's leave that. Use audience attribute. So let's say trends. Would have loved to target graduates. Okay, so business and management. Okay, we're gonna use this one. Okay, I guess that is all. So we're gonna stop here. I think I like what we've done so far. So these are all the things we've selected. So we can save this audience. We can save. So we're gonna use videos, not images. So we go with videos. Okay, so we're gonna skip this. Keep going. So daily budget, let's use $80. We want this to start, so set start and end date. Okay, let's make it 5 days instead. So we're doing website conversions. So what are we tracking? Select conversions 3. Okay. Okay, let's track all 3. Then we'll click on save and continue. Okay, next. Okay, we'll click on next. Audience is 6.4 million. So you can create new. If you're creating, you are basically uploading from here. And you could also browse. Using your browsing content is more like you're using content you've posted on the LinkedIn page, LinkedIn company page. So we're going to use this one. So LinkedIn recommends you can use. So LinkedIn recommends you can use up to 5. Okay, so we're gonna select this one. Okay, let's take this also. This one is being sponsored, it's being used. Then we'll click on add to AdSense. Okay, so now the reason why this one needs attention is that this tool has not been used before. But all this one that are okay, they have been used before for an ad. So I'm going to show you why. So we've basically added a headline and a link for them to visit. So you can simply edit them by clicking here, add required missing fields. So these two posts were posted recently, and like I said, we've never used them. So we can say join the next level mentorship program. Then the link we're sending them to is this one. So that is then call to action is, let's just try register now. Register. Okay, so once we are done with that, we click on save. That's all. We're also going to do it for the second one. So add required missing field. So headline, we're gonna say this: join the next level mentorship program. Destination URL, choose this. Then for call to action, we select register. Once we're done with it, we'll click on save. We confirm. So it's very easy, particularly when you've uploaded the content. If not, if you click on create new ads, once you click here, you have to upload them manually. So after you add name of this ad optional, introductory text, just showing you how this one works. This one you just upload the content. So upload or select. So like it said, you can upload or select. Then the headline and URL. So it's quite similar. Then also call to action. This is the destination URL. So upload or select. So it's a good thing if they would permit it. So because no content has been uploaded here before, you have to upload from scratch. So make sure you transfer that content to your laptop or whatever device you're using. Then you upload from your laptop into LinkedIn Campaign Manager. So that is just it. I'm just showing you how this works. So we go back. All right, so we're good to go. Now we can go click on next. It's going to take us to the preview page. You're going to preview everything you've done. Make sure that this is what you want. Then you scroll down and you hit on publish. Then you hit on publish. So launch ads. So that's it. Very simple to launch LinkedIn ads. So click on X. And don't forget, always make sure you have a billing information. So you come to account settings and click on billing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive contents like this. See you in the next one, and visit the description section to also access special resources we've made available for you guys. Cheers.